In this video, we're going to look at using the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Now, Pythagoras theorem says that a squared equals plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are our two shorter sides, and c is our longer side, our hypotenuse. So we're going to do 3 squared plus 4 squared, and that's going to be equal c squared. Well, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. We add those two together and we get 25. So c squared is equal to 25. So to find what c is, we got to do the square root of 25. Now the square root of 25, well, what do we need to multiply by itself to get 25? Well, that's going to be 5. So c is equal to 5. In this case, because we've got centimetres, it will be 5 centimetres. Okay, now in this example, we've got a shorter side of 5 centimetres. We can say that's A. Another shorter side of 12 centimetres. We can say that's B. And then our hypotenuse, which we can say is C. So we've got to do A squared plus B squared, or 5 squared plus 12 squared. Well, 5 times 5 is 25. 12 times 12 is 144. And if we added those two together, we get 169. Now to find our c, remember this is c squared at the moment, so we've got to do our square root of 169. And the square root of 169 is 13. So our c is going to be 13 centimetres. Okay, just one more then. Now let's see if you can have a go at this one on your own. So if you just want to pause the video for a moment, have a go at this one, and I'll go through it in just a moment. Okay, now in this one, we've got our shorter sides of 6 centimetres. We'll say that's A. One of 8 centimetres. We'll say that's B. And then our longer side, our hypotenuse, which we can say is C. So of course, we've got to do A squared plus B squared. So that's 6 squared plus 8 squared. 6 squared, 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 8 squared, 8 times 8 is equal to 64. And if we were to add those two together, 36 add 64 would get 100. Now, of course, that's c squared at the moment, our hypotenuse squared. So we've got to square root it to find what c would be. So we do square root of 100. Now, what multiplied by itself would be equal to 100? Well, that's going to be 10. So our c in this case is going to be 10 centimetres. And that's how we use our Pythagoras theorem to find our hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Make sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos.